In this video, you will learn how to fix there was a problem lagging you into Instagram. Please try again soon. Problem on Instagram. So the process is very simple. So first open Play Store in your mobile phone. Now search Instagram. First update your Instagram application and then go to setting in your mobile phone. Now go to application manager. Now find Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now click on clear cache and tap on clear data. Click on OK button. Now go back and open Instagram again. Now log in your Instagram account. And tap on login button. Your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos.